Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're working on the 350 again. As you all know, this is just what's going on in this channel. We just work on a 350. This is a video that I've been very excited about, and it's a part that we're installing that I'm very excited about. It is the... So what we're installing today is... Alright, that's heavy. It is the KBD N3R Nismo front bumper. Well, Nismo style front bumper. It's not the original one, but it's the same style essentially. I mean, it's the same shape. If you're watching this and you are new to the 350 scene, 350Z scene, or if you just heard about KBD, they make some super nice looking bumpers. The cool fact about them is not about them, their bumpers, is that their bumpers don't break. They're made of some like sort of really durable plastic, and they don't break. I mean, I've tried, it doesn't break. So really good quality. As far as fitment, I've heard a bunch of different stories about them. I mean, I've seen people with amazing fitment and I've seen people with trash fitment. So I'm gonna just see this for myself. I'm changing out the stock bumper that's on the 350. I mean, it's a really nice bumper. Mine's just really old and beat up and just has a whole bunch of years of use on it, and it's just destroyed at this point. So I'm changing it out for the Nismo style front bumper. Now I wish I could get an OEM style front bumper, but you know, those are just over the top expensive, and I found this for a good deal. So that's what we're doing today. First thing I'm gonna do is take off this front bumper, and we'll get to, you know, just like test fit it and see how everything fits. And after that, we'll put on this Nismo front bumper, and I will see if, you know, I'm one of the people that have good fitment or the bad fitment. So first things first, taking out the front bumper. So in an ideal world, you would have all these clips, but I am missing two of them. I have new ones in, so I'll put those in when I put on the new bumper. But for the time being, I just need to take these out. And then there are two screws on that side, two on the other side that are holding this bumper in place, and they are a pain to get to. But I have a solution for that too, so just hang on. So now that we have the front bumper off, the front end is just exposed, which looks amazing if you ask me, with some bash bars and everything, but that's not what we're doing. I'm gonna go... Now actually, one thing I wanna do is put these bumpers next to each other and, you know, just compare. And there are like these lights on the side. I don't know if that fits the new one. That's just something I've been wondering, so I'm gonna see if that fits. So that is our new bumper and the old one. Now the new one looks far more better if you ask me. It's just not painted at this point, like it's just not now. This one, you can't say it's painted either. I mean, it is painted, but it's got a little bit of like a half mustache on it. It just looks like shit. Now this one, nice, brand new. Now the lights that I'm talking about are right here. It's these orange lights. I don't know if it fits exactly over there, so I'm gonna take one out and just try it. If not, I've seen people put like clear side markers over here, so I might do that. But for the time being, I'm just gonna see if that one fits over there. So there we have our side marker. It's not a light. There's ones with LEDs inside. It looks really dope, but these are just lights. So it doesn't really look the best. I mean, like, I understand if you go for it. It's just, I don't know, it doesn't really fit exactly. Like, the size is different obviously, but I don't really like the orange look, so I'll figure that out later. I might put some like something else. I'm sure they sell something about it. If you know, let me know in the comments. All right, so now that that's out of the way, out with the old and in with the new. Wow, this is much heavier than I expected it to be. Oh, it's much heavier than the old one, definitely, but like this is a heavy ass bumper, I'll tell you that much. Alright, so after several minutes of wiggling things around and trying to carry this heavy ass bumper, I did get it to sit right, and with the help of some zip ties, I think it looks solid. Now, areas like these, it's just a matter of just like putting it into place properly. But as far as like the body lines, I mean, like right here maybe needs to go down a little bit, and then, yeah, like maybe that needs to tuck under the headlight. But like the lines line up perfectly, and this side as well is just having the same problem, and just lines up perfectly. I mean, everything is good. It looks good on both ends, like it follows the body line up to the fender. right here. And overall, it's just like super aggressive and super nice. And KBD is really helpful. Like, shout out to you for this. They have pre-made like holes right here. I did drill in like some of them so I can put on the zip ties. But they have like spots for where the clips go in through, so you can drill right through. See, I did drill in this one. There is one right here. There's one right here, and there's also ones for the tabs on the sides. See, there's one right here and right there. We're not going to be using that, so I'm not too worried. But we do have these holes right here. And what I mean by we're not going to use those side tabs is I got this little thing. I'll have a video also on how to install these properly. But these are quick release bumper things, adapters, I don't know what you want to call them. But they go to the side of your fender and your front bumper. And it just makes everything so much easier when you're trying to take off your bumper. Because those screws right by your tire is just super painful to take out. And now I'll only have to worry about the top and these things over here. Also, some style points. I mean, they look good. You can get these in several different colors, but yeah, but these things are awesome. I'm just gonna go ahead and drill into the new front bumper and line up where the holes match. And I got this whole like hardware kit. These are just a bunch of like assorted clips. This is like, you can use these for anything in your car. I'm sure like you have a bunch of places that you have these black random clips. So it's a good idea to just get a bunch of them. I'm just gonna go ahead and drill where the dots are, and then we'll just stick these right in. Alright, I just drilled out all my holes, and that sounds incredibly wrong. I just drilled out all the holes on the bumper. I'm gonna go ahead and put the clips on, and then the bumper should be like on perfectly on the front. And then we'll get to dealing with the sides so it can mount that properly as well. Alright, so as far as the seat and the bumper, what am I talking about? Alright, so as far as the clamps on the bumper, it's holding up strong. I don't think it's going anywhere. In fact, I'm gonna do a pull test for the first time right now. So all the clips are in place, 3 on this side, 3 on that side. I'm yanking this and it's not coming off, so that's good. Now we need to go ahead and reinforce the bumper from the sides. You also want to put in your undershroud. If you have a metal one, I think it's really cool. But that's like the bottom of the car. I don't have an undershroud right now. It got destroyed. I went over a bump or something like that. I don't know. Must have been like a speed bump or something. But I don't have one for the time being. So until I order that, I'm not gonna connect that because I can't. I don't have one. I'm gonna go ahead and do these sides right by the fender. And if you want to see that video, it'll be linked up here or here somewhere on the cards. I'll link it and you can go ahead and watch that as well.
Rebel soul child got a fist balled. I'm a respawn of ancestors and I'm blessed. They are not him, tell him fess up. I get check stub, hella carefree, nothing scares me, hella reckless. Yeah, I got next up, right? No, we not the same, cause see when I look in your iris, you likely to talk but not ready to ride. You do better keeping it quiet. My pen is ignited, my soul is enlightened. I like who I am, but I'm biased. They palette is right, and my drip is a fountain. I'm not like these regular guys.
So these are the clips that I was talking about. They're like quick release. They're not clips really. They're like quick release kind of things. I installed them in another video. Since I'm an expert, I did show step by step on how to do this, like step-by-step tutorial on how to do this. So if you want to check that out, the video link will be up somewhere on the screen, on the cards, or down below in the description. But now that that's in place, the bumper is way more sturdy. Like like the bumper is held onto the fender, and there's a connection. Also, it gives you some style points. It looks cool. So I would really advise doing this. There's also different colors than that. So anyways, I'll link all those down below as well. The bumper is fully on right now. I'll put some clips right after I finish talking and rambling. But one sec. But as far as the bumper, that's pretty much it. Let me know if you like it after the talking portion of this video is done, and you will see some clips of it. Anyways, but I'm super happy with how it came out. Really like this bumper, and for all those people shitting on KBD, I think they have great fitment. I will see probably in a couple months to see how it holds up, because I've heard people that are staying in the sun and their bumper is sagging. So I don't know about that, but I'll have to see in a couple of months, see how it holds up. But for now, I'm super happy. Really like it. If you want to get one, I would highly suggest it for now, at least. Fitment's all fine, everything lines up, the body lines are good. But that'll be all for today's video. I did this part. I'm gonna do everything on the other side as well, but I'll see you in another video. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. If you don't like it, press dislike and tell me what you don't like about the video. But I will see you in another video. Peace. Oh, you're not subscribed yet? Come on. Are you one of those new people that aren't subscribed? Or are you one of those people that keep watching my videos and not subscribing? I don't know what you're doing with your life. Subscribe, okay? I'll see you in another video. Peace. Alright, hold up. I just changed my YouTube banner and profile picture and like everything all across my socials. If you're not following me on there. But I did put a little hashtag on there. It says seize the opportunity. I mean, it's not really like an end of the video kind of saying that everyone does. It's just something that I like to keep in mind, so I put it there. So every time I open my channel, I can see it. It's just a good reminder for me. And hopefully, if you read it and you think it's cool, is it dope? I don't know. Just a quick reminder for everybody that's looking at it. Don't forget to seize the opportunity. This is the only video that I'm going to say this. Seize the opportunity. Seize the opportunity.
Rebel soul child got a fist balled. I'm a respawn of ancestors and I'm blessed, They are not him, tell him fess up. I get check stub, hella carefree, nothing scares me, hella reckless. Yeah, I got next up, right? No, we not the same, cause see when I look in your iris,